Hey guys, I've not done a video in a while, but we got a project here for my daughter's bedroom. Her bed was getting a little wore out, so we're just going to build her one floating bed. Super simple project right here. We're just now putting it together. There'll be two videos, one of this in progress and the other finished product. But it's a really simple video. Just build a platform. We ain't got nothing screwed down yet. We've got it to the wall and everything. And all it is an optical illusion. But just 2x4 frames like that. And they are 70.5 inches long. This for a full-size bed. This is for a full-size bed. So 70.5 inches long on these. 52.5 on these two. And like I said, so we got our lag bolts and everything run into the studs here. We got wood walls, so it's real easy to find the studs and everything. So real easy, simple. Like I said, just build this wall. That's all you do. We went ahead and installed some rope lights, LED rope lights, changes colors, and everything like that. But and had brackets for the LED rope lights and stuff, but we didn't have a screwdriver to fit them and stuff, so we just went ahead and improvised like we always do. But it looks really good. It's going to be fine. Like I said, we're going to show the finished product. Very easy to do. Makes a good bed. I'll just put this back here. Like I said, we're going to get everything screwed down. Just want to show the before us doing it, but very strong. I mean, you can sit on it all day long. I'll turn the light out right now and you can get a little bit more view of the lights under it and stuff. Should make her a good bed. There's red, there's twinkles, green, yellow, white, and then like I said, you got anything like that. Like I said, I think at nighttime it's really going to look really good in here, but it's very strong, but it does look like a floating bed, and so we'll show you the finished project. We've been working on it about 2 hours, no problem whatsoever. This is a simple project, guys. So we're gonna finish it up, shoot another video of the finished product and everything, and we'll get it on. So have a good day, guys.